YouTube fam! So for today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. It is going to be an organize with me / clean with me video. After I recovered from all of my COVID-19 symptoms, one day I opened up the fridge and I was like, whoa, it smells like pickle juice. How long has my refrigerator smelled like pickle juice? So I am going to be trying to implement a new organization system. I had tried to do this like several months back, and after I got sick I kind of just like let it all go. So I'm going to get back into organizing that, keeping it simple, and I'm going to be using a couple different things that I will show you in a minute. These have actually been sitting in my garage for a while. As I said before, I started this project of organization in my fridge and then I kind of gave up on it for a while. So I do have a few of these in my fridge already, but I don't like the way that I have used them to organize certain items. It was not convenient at all. So what I think I need to do instead is kind of fill them up with like maybe snacks and drinks, and then I have like an individual drawer for those types of things. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, now that that's done, and my fingers are sore, I am only going to be using a natural cleaner, a rag, and this trash bag. I think that's just about everything I'm going to need. Oh, and I also need this.
These are refrigerator liners, and I really love mine, but I realized while I was editing that I didn't have any good footage or shots or pictures or anything of the ones that I own, so I decided just to show pictures of the ones I'm going to be linking in my description box below. They are reusable, they're washable, they're really absorbent, and I feel like they are a must if you're reorganizing your refrigerator.
So without any further ado, let's clean my fridge. All right, so that took me about an hour to complete, and I'm gonna show you the results. Well, everything is starting to get a little bit warm in here now that the fridge has been open for so long. So I am gonna go and pick up my kids from school, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content, and have a blessed rest of your day. Hi YouTube fam! So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. It's going to be an organize with me.
Hi, YouTube fam!